Lance.
Yeah.
You gotta be on a video today.
What?
You're gonna be on a video today.
Okay.
I enlisted help. Back working on the PANDEM kit again, but I got extra hands this time. So, same deal as yesterday. Shave out that arch wider so that over fender can fit, and maybe start on the side skirts on each side. We'll see, but you know, same stuff as last video. Could have done this last night, but I know it's gonna be a pain. But we gotta.
Is that just glue? Oh, you have to go in through here and put
it's got double-sided tape on it.
Oh, okay. I saw this loose. I thought you went in.
No, I took that. I took this off because I needed to take this whole fender off to fill those holes from the inside.
So you messed up the side too?
Yep, I did them both the exact same way. I screwed up one side, so I said I'm gonna screw the other side up the exact same. But the side skirt, that's the side skirt. Yep. I bolted these two together so, you know, I could see where everything's gonna sit. These are definitely gonna be a pain in the butt to do because they're not molded exactly to the shape of the body. I checked them last night.
You're getting lights later? Oh, that's your gas cap?
Yeah, that's for the gas cap.
Okay.
But I'm gonna do the side skirt. So that's why I let that bottom screw loose so I could have a little play. But yeah, that's what we're gonna put on next.
Okay.
I don't know why I didn't ever think of this, but this man is backing his truck up so I can use the truck gate as a workbench. They kind of like drill holes and stuff. This table over here is like super packed with stuff. I need to organize it. It's messy. I don't know why I didn't ever think of that though. I'll remember that from now on. I can use my truck as the truck bed as a workbench. Can't get my words out today. I would never trust Damon to do this. He's too heavy-handed.
Yeah.
He would have cracked me. If he's watching this video right now, which I'm sure he is, dude, you're heavy-handed. Okay, I might have said this in one of my videos or before, I can't remember, but this man makes like some really sick music. So you guys need to comment below and tell him to make some music for me to use on this channel.
Yeah.
So, you guys aren't gonna believe this. My worst fears have come true. This rear over fender on the driver's side doesn't fit correctly. I'm not really sure what to do about it. To get it to where it fits over the gas cap where the gas cap can open, it's gonna not fit along with the side skirt properly, or it's not gonna cover up any of these holes. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do about it yet. More than likely, I have to take it to a professional to do that panel or redo the holes on this side, or fill the holes so I can fit the panel on this side, because it's not looking too good. I don't really know how to explain it to you guys any better than that, but the rest of the kit is looking pretty good. It's like, I would say probably like 95% perfect. It's not 100% yet, but it's like almost there. Walk around it real quick. If you can see that, panel gaps look good. None of the kit in these joints are connected together yet. There's also no bolts or screws connecting the side skirt to the rear over fender, or the side skirt to the front over fender, or the front over fender to the bumper. But this side is like A1, 100% perfect. The other side is just a tiny bit off, but this side is perfect. The gap along the door is good. The gap between the door and the side skirt is good. Opens and closes perfectly fine. Oh yeah, holes are pretty much covered on this side. It's a little bit showing right there, but like I said, I'm probably gonna have to take this to a professional to like really get it spot on. That's gonna be the end of this video. The PANDEM kit is mostly, it pretty much mostly has its preliminary install done. So I don't really know where I'm gonna go, what the next step is gonna be on the car yet. Probably getting tires and test fitting wheels and stuff like that. Probably something along those lines. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. So this is where I'm going in this video. Big shout out to Lance for, you know, coming over to help me. He lives like 2 minutes down the road from me. We need to hang out more often. Well, big shout out to him for coming to help me and getting these panels fitted up right. And yeah, comment down below and tell him to make me some music for this channel. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.